my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. What do I do? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I have a special video. I want to introduce some additions to this channel's family. So because I'm a biracial wig reviewer and this is a multicultural channel, I wanted to add something so that I could really step up that part of the channel. So far, these are my girls that I have invited to be part of our channel. So far I have these ladies here, and yeah, so these are the ladies here that are serving as our models. So when I do a wig review from now on, I'm actually going to put them on each of these beautiful ladies, and so you can see potentially what it would look like on your skin type. They're all diverse as far as facial features. I do have a couple more coming just to make sure that I have a wide range of models for wigs. So you will see, in addition to the wig review, short videos that will accompany it that will show the wig on different skin tones. So I just wanted to thank some of my subscribers who donated to Buy Me a Coffee. Buy Me a Coffee is a site, it's linked up here, and it's down in my description box, where as opposed to like becoming a channel member or anything like that, people can just donate to you. They can just buy you a coffee. So my donation's $3 like a coffee would be, and you can decide if you want to donate 1 coffee, 2 coffees, whatever. So you can go ahead and click the little icon for Buy Me a Coffee up above or down in my description box. I will also link it as a pinned comment, but because of some of my subbies, they decided to donate to me through Buy Me a Coffee, and so I was able to purchase specifically this girl here, who is so beautiful, and add to what I have already going on. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce them. I have been waiting to get the last couple. I do have a few more coming, and they will sit over there. And so I just wanted to make sure that I really am including different skin tones, different facial features as much as I can. I obviously can't hire a jillion models, so these ladies are going to help us out. So that's what I have for you today. If you would like to donate to the channel so that we can add more ladies of different skin tones, skin types, you can even indicate that in your gift if there is a particular skin tone or eye color or what have you that you would like me to purchase so that you can see what the wigs will look like. Like I said, I'll pin the comment. I would love the donation. This is for all of us. Please do not feel obligated to donate. I do have channel memberships. I think I'm actually going to get rid of them and just stick with more of the Buy Me a Coffee, because it's kind of like if you feel like it and you have $3 or however, you don't have to, you could donate more. But my point is if you just have a couple dollars and you want to support the channel, but you know, we're all in weird times, then you can just buy me a coffee one time. There are monthly options where you can buy me a coffee every month. That's totally your choice. But I just thought it was a lot easier than becoming a channel member and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so thank you to the 2 wonderful ladies, you know who you are, who bought me some coffees, and I was able to at least purchase her with that. And so I will be sure to put it in my community tab if someone does buy me a coffee, what I use that coffee money for in terms of the channel. And yeah, that's what I have for you today. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.